Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever entered a trade and only later realized you used the wrong lot size? Maybe you risked too much or too little, or maybe you were just guessing. Well, today, that ends. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Luta LC V5 Forex lot size calculator, a tool that instantly tells you exactly how much to risk, what lot size to use, and whether your risk is safe or dangerous. And guess what? The download link for this exact calculator is in the description below. Stick with me. This is going to change the way you trade forever. Welcome back to LutaMarkets, the place where we simplify Forex, build powerful trading tools, and help you grow smarter, not riskier. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because every week we release tools, tutorials, and trading wisdom that actually make a difference in your trading journey. All right, let's be honest. One of the biggest reasons traders blow their accounts is because they don't know how to calculate lot size correctly. Some people put a random 0.10 lot. Some jump to 1.00 lot because they feel confident. Others don't even know how much they're risking until they're already in the trade, and that's a problem. But the good news is, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this tool to control your risk, choose the right lot size, protect your account, and trade with confidence and consistency. This is the exact system that professional traders use every single day. Let's get into the calculator itself. I want to explain it in a simple, friendly way, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll understand everything. The Luta LC V5 calculator uses 4 easy inputs. Think of them like 4 building blocks. Once you fill these in, everything else becomes automatic. So first up, we have account balance. This is simply how much money you have in your trading account right now. Not how much you want to have, not how much you plan to have, but your actual live balance. Whether it's $50, $200, $2,000, or even $50,000, you just put it in right here. For our example today, let's use 2,000 USD. The calculator uses this number as the foundation for all your risk calculations. Think of it like the ground floor of a building. Everything else builds on top of it. All right, now let's talk about one of the most important parts of trading, risk percentage. This is the percentage of your account you're willing to risk per trade. And here is where Luta LCV5 really shines. Because the moment you type in your risk percentage, something magical happens. The calculator instantly shows you a color-coded badge that says safe risk, moderate risk, high risk, reckless risk. Let me give you a real example. If you type 2%, the badge glows green. This is the zone where professional traders live. Slow, steady, consistent growth. But if you move up above 5%, the badge changes to moderate, a warning that you're starting to take bigger risks. When you go above 10%, it turns high risk. Now it's like the calculator's telling you, hey, be careful. And if you ever type 50% or something crazy like that, the calculator basically shouts reckless risk. This is powerful because you don't need to guess. You don't need to rely on feelings. The tool visually shows you if you're playing safe or gambling with your account. Next is your stop loss in pips. This part is simple, but extremely important. Your stop loss determines how much room your trade has to breathe. A tighter stop means a different lot size from a wider stop. So, if your strategy needs 20 pips, you enter 20. If your strategy is more flexible and uses 40 or 50 pips, you enter that. The calculator adapts automatically. The key thing to remember is lot size always depends on stop loss. That's why this tool is so helpful. It keeps everything aligned. And finally, we have pip value. A lot of traders get confused about pip value, so let's make it simple. For most major pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and NZD USD, the pip value for one standard lot is usually 10 USD per pip. That's why the calculator sets it to 10 by default. But maybe you trade exotic pairs, things like USD TYR, GBP ZAR. These pairs have different pip values. So if you want accurate results, you simply change the pip value right here, and boom, The calculator adjusts everything instantly. Once you've entered your 4 inputs, you don't need to do anything else. The tool takes over from here. The first result you'll see is your risk amount in dollars. So if you have a 2000 USD account and set a 2% risk, the calculator will immediately show risk amount $40. This is the exact amount you're risking on the trade. No guessing, no confusion, no surprises. And then comes the most important part, your calculated lot size. This is the precise lot size you must use based on your balance, your risk percentage, your stop loss, and your pip value. This takes emotion out of trading. It helps you stay disciplined, it protects your account, and it keeps your trading consistent. What if you have 2 trades you want to take, or 3, or even 4? The calculator makes this easy too. Let's say your total risk is 2%, but you want to split it across 2 trades. You simply divide 2% divided by 2 equals 1% per pair. Then you enter 1% risk into the calculator for each pair. If you had 4 pairs, 2% divided by 4 equals 0.5% per pair. This keeps your total risk under control no matter how many setups you enter. If this helped you out, make sure you give this video a like, comment below, tell me your account size and what tool you want next, subscribe to LutaMarkets for more tools, lessons, and real trading insights. After this, I highly recommend watching the next video on risk management. Combine that knowledge with this calculator and your trading will level up instantly.